make me wanna throw my picture out the window. Tell MCI to cut the phone calls, break my lease so I can move. Cause you a bugaboo, a bugaboo. I wanna put you on bugaboo. You bugging what you bugging, who you bugging me, and don't you see it ain't cool. It's not hot that you be calling me, stressing me, paging my beat, but you're just non-stop. And it's not hot that you be leaving me messages every 10 minutes and then you stop by. When I first met you, you were cool, but it was game, you had me fooled. Cause 20 minutes after I gave you my number, you already had my mailbox full. So what? You bought a pair of shoes, but now I guess you think I owe you. Oh, you have to call as much you do. I give them back to the group with you. And so what? Mama like you. Now I guess you think I will too. Even if you won't say it like you do, I don't really care 'cause you're a bugaboo. My picture out the window.
So this week's vlog starts a little differently, not with apartment tours or site visits, but with wedding preparations. The girls are in full preparation mode, and trust me, choosing gowns and fabrics is a serious mission on its own. Between outfit fittings, color discussions, and last-minute decisions, the energy was already giving main energy vibes. And honestly, one thing about Kenyan traditional weddings, everyone is showing up looking good. And after all the preparations, it was finally time to hit the road and make our way to Machakos for the big day. Road trips, good music, endless stories in the car. This is probably one of my favorite parts before any event. So come along with us as we head to celebrate love, culture, and a beautiful traditional wedding in true Kenyan style.
Wedding time.
Bring your hand, madam.
Are you okay, mommy? What is it?
So what we do is that we send the couple off in a very comfortable way. Sawa sawa.
I get the money pass your papa. Wait till you want way I know feel do for you. Why you want the book and one? Share you the keys down there knee. You better look your body and
Hi guys, finally home. It's currently 10:50 p.m. I just jetted in Nairobi from Machakos. Machakos is too far. But yeah, that was a lovely traditional ceremony. Congratulations to my friend Jackie. And first of all, the experience was nice. Just going out of town, just being in nature and being with friends, celebrating love and marriage in a day and age where marriages are failing and people are quitting, it's a beautiful thing to see two people choose marriage, choose commitment. So yeah, it was a beautiful day today. Yeah, I am tired. I am about to shower, rest. Tomorrow is church. So yeah, I did vlog a bit, not too much. Yeah, I was not too motivated to vlog this time. Normally I would really get some really good clips. This time I don't have much, but it was just an intimate moment with my friends. So yeah. Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday, happy new week, and welcome to this week's project update. Hi everyone, happy Friday. Oranges zinakaa vizuri. 229.
Sema wazungu wanapenda petite babes. Not even
Oh, si mzungu. No, Black American. Pack pia? Ya pineapple salad. Anachukuanga kama 2-3. Hai, utakatakata. Wanakulia kwa ardhi.
Itatosha ama nichukue mbili?
pineapple ndogo chukua 2. Are they sweet kwanza?
Ameuza apartment leo. Kuna mtu amemake payment.
$12 million.
Yeah.
Kuna kampuni kama na shop zako.
Ndio unajua?
No, lakini sasa
Kwa kidogo waseme
Utasema you are with Esther and Maggie?
alikuwa ananisemanga shopping tukienda activation.
Yeah.
Alikuwa na shop ananiambia, "Oh,
Unanakwambia?
Ananiuliza, "Oh, wow, you shop all this." Na shop mpaka ice cream yangu. It's okay, no problem.
We, sasa hapo kwa sausage utabidi umeongeza. Eh?
Hey, 12 ni kidogo. 12 ni kidogo. Kwa ngapi? 6.
Unajua kuna cameraman wao.
Hayuko among the 6.
By the way, amesema videographer wao wanawalipa 20k. Hebu fanya haraka.
Pade.
Ushoot.
Sasa chukue ngapi?
Achukue ngapi? Ulikuwa umesema 20?
Chukue 20.
20. Tu overthink?
Yeah.
Whatever number comes here.
Yeah.
Tukianga hii section tunaipanga madam.
Nini hiyo? Oh, hii section. Ya manyama. Najua na vlog.
Oh wow. Yeah.
Bidii niko nayo.
Love your life.
Thank you.
Hello. Hi there.
Sasa funny, banana small.
Hazikai kama zimeiva vizuri.
Hey, hakuna banana zingine. I thought I saw bananas on the other side.
No, she said sweet banana, so we just know.
Oh, we do sweet bananas. So cute.
The best bunch.
What is this? Ooh. Nimemiss malenge. Na popo.
Malenge na kuku
Chakula ya watoto in short. Sijui nani ako na mtoto niende nimeze. Sasa vile nasema.
Huyo demu.
Ulipange na kwa na kuripanda.
Hapana, siwezi fanya hiyo. Ya Uber pekee ndio. Kubwa ndio anza kuniambia, we don't know. Unajua ndogo anaweza kurudishia.
Mimi ya Uber walinizungusha nikasema sitawahi.
Just in case also kuja alafu aseme the alafu eat these things alafu mimi nimelipia.
Tell Esther to refund you.
Tell us that you find you.
Yeah, I saw you eating. Mr.
Yo. Pretty. So pretty. Yo, this is pretty. And this too. And the pants as well. And the dresses. This is Max. Oh, this is good quality. Whatever tunaambia story ya sijui official look. This is so pretty.
Official for who?
Aka blue ni katamu. And the checked as well. I'm here for checked clothes actually. This is so nice. Oh, look at that top. Look at that, guys.
But you have done a lot of work.
This is pretty. Yeah.
Nitatuletea vile.
Sindio?
Money locators, money please.
Money locator. Oh wow! So it's currently 4:30 and it looks like it's 7. It's about to rain heavy.